Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick video, I'm going to show you exactly how to reset your Eufy Floodlight camera in 2026. Now on your Eufy Floodlight camera, you need to first of all locate the sync or the reset button. So as you can see, the reset button is available over here as shown this particular image. So when you are able to find the reset button, you just have to simply press and hold it for about 10 to 15 seconds until you hear a beep or until you see the indicator light. Now when you see it, it confirms that you are in the reset mode or the reset mode has started. Now even after pressing this particular reset button, nothing is working. You can first of all turn off the power from the switch or the breaker. Afterwards wait for 30 to 60 seconds and then simply just turn it back on. Once the camera powers up, again press and hold the reset button, and some models respond better right after booting. Now after the reset, the camera will enter into the pairing mode. You will also see the blinking LED and you can also hear a voice prompt indicating that it is ready to connect. So you can just simply start the connection process via the Eufy security application on your phone. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.